Good morning, student. Today, our 12th standard biology topic is gene flow. Okay, gene flow means movement of gene through gametes or movement of individual in immigration, and out means emigration. Okay, the movement of gene through gametes or movement of individual. Okay, all over the gametes are one of the individual movement in. Okay, உள்ள வரது இமிகிரேஷன் அண்ட் அவுட் மீன்ஸ் எமிகிரேஷன். உள்ளேருந்து வெளியிலேருந்து உள்ளே வர்றது, தென் உள்ளேருந்து வெளியே போகிறது. வெளியிலேருந்து உள்ளே இருக்கிறது இமிகிரேஷன் அண்டு உள்ளேருந்து வெளியே போகிறது எமிகிரேஷன். அப்போ பாப்புலேஷன் இஸ் ரெஃபர்ட் டு அஸ் ஏ ஜீன் ஃப்ளோ. ஓகேவா? வாட் ஆர் த ஆர்கானிசம் ஆர் கேமிட்ஸ் ஆர் கம் டு இன்சைட் and going to outside, that is called gene flow. That is referred as a gene flow. Okay, organism and gametes that enter into the population may give new alleles of, may bring in exiting allele, but in the different proportion that can already in the population. Okay, organism and gamete that enter in the population may be, it is new or it will bring in the exiting allele. Okay, it will be new or it is same. Okay, it will, but in that different proportion then those already in the population. Gene flow can be strong agent of, it is a strong agent of evaluation. Okay, then second one is genetic trip. Okay, that it is also called Sewell-Wright effect. Genetic trip is a mechanism of evaluation which allele frequency of a population change over generation due to change, that is called sampling error. Okay, then genetic trip occurs in the population sizes, but it effect or strong in the small population. It is the effect in the, so compared to large population, it is very effect in the strong in the small population. Okay, it may result in a loss of some alleles and fixation of other alleles. Genetic trip can have major effect when the population is reduced in the size by natural disorder due to bottleneck effect, or when a small group population split from the main population to from a new colony due to the founder effect. Okay, then the genetic trip can have major effect when the population is reduced in the size by the sum of the natural resources due to bottleneck effect, or when a small group of population, some amount of small group of population split from the main population, then it would be converted into new colony due to the one of the effect that is called founder effect. Okay, see the picture. Due to the chance even only these three petals give rise to offspring. Next generation produce these three petals only. Okay, see the pictures, small a and capital A, then third one is capital A and small a. These are the three organisms present in the first generation. Then it will be next generation, three petals only gives rise to the offspring. Okay, the frequency of the A is 0.3. See the pictures of first one is, the frequency is A is equal to 0.3. Then frequency of capital A is 0.3, small a is 0.7, because the reason is it comes to 1, 2. Okay, then capital A comes to 1, 2, 3. Okay, then cross section, then it will be produced in a some amount of beetles. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then that's why the frequency of A small a is 0.7. Okay, the next generation, the beetles of A is reduced, then small capital A, then frequency of small a is comes under the next generation. Okay, then mutation. Although mutation is the original source of genetic variation, mutation rate of most organisms is low. Hence, new mutation of the allele frequency from one generation to the next is usually not larger. Okay. Thank you, students. Today homework is gene flow, gene trip and mutation.